Topic for today is about Module 7 Data Governance and Risk Management. Data governance framework establish principles and define clear data governance principles like accountability, transparency, and security, and defines the roles assigned role for data ownership, stewardship, and management. Set policies and develop policies that address data quality, privacy, and security. Implements process. Implement process establish standardized process for data collections, storage, and use, and data ownership and stewardship, and data owner responsible for ensuring data accuracy and quality. Steward manager manage that the data life cycle and ensure compliance. Number three, collaborations is key. Clear communication and collaboration between data owners and steward are vital for effective data governance. Okay, data classifications and handling confidential and private, internal, and public. Confidential, the sensitive data requiring strict access control and security measures. For example, confidential of data to secure information. And private, personal or confidential data that need to be protected from authorized disclosure. Private, private information of the data of a company. Internal data used to strengthen the organizations for operational process. And public data accessible to everyone, such publicly available information. Okay. Public information for the employee and for the company and for the other platform. Okay. Data lifecycle management. Data lifecycle management. Data creations, data storage, data use, data achieving, and data del- deletions. First, data creations. Data is collected from various sources, including database, application, and sensor. Okay, number two, data storage. Data is stored securely, securely in a appropriate system, ensuring data integrity and availability. Data usage. Data is analyzed and used to support business operations, decision making, and innovations. Data achieving. Data achieving. The data is achieved for long-term perceptions and potential features use. Data deletion. Data is permanently deleted with no longer needed, ensuring compliance with data deletion policies. For data information for deleting information if hindi not if hindi na siya kailangan. Okay. Next, risk management and data security. Risk management identify, assess, migrate, monitor. Okay, first, identify potential threat and vulnerabilities to your data, and assess, evaluate, and likelihood impact to data security threats. migrate security control to reduce and eliminate identifying risks. Continuously monitor data security control and adjust time as needed. Okay, next, data security and REST access. For REST access analysis, threat identifications, and threat identification identify potential threat to your data, including potential external threat. Then, vulnerability access, evaluate the weakness in your data security control and system. Okay, impact analysis determine the potential impact of data breaches and other security incident. Test priorities and priorities rest based on their likelihood and impact. And next, migrating data security address, access control, data inflections, data masking, security monitoring, incident response. Okay, access control, restrict access to database based on role informations, data infections, protect data, unrest, and reset using control and description algorithm. Okay, redact. Okay, or sensitive data and protect from authorized access. Security monitoring, implement security information and event management tools to monitor for suspicious activities. And incident response, develop plan to respond data breaches and other security incidents. Next, monitoring, monitoring and authority practice, regular audit, complainant check, and performance metrics, and continuous improvement. The regular audits for conduct regular audit to access data security control and compliance. Okay. Number two, compliance check and ensure to relevant data, privacy and regulations, industry standard. Performance metrics, track key performance indicator, uh, key performance indicators to measure to data governance effectiveness. And number four, continuous improvement, identify area for improvement, and make necessary adjustments and strengthen data governance. Okay, regular audit to checking or control of finance and to checking the to ensure if data privacy to ensure security privacy and performance of the governance effectiveness to check a continuous improvement identify to adjust if did not if kung para kung ano man ang mga kailangan i-improve sa mga gawain sa company na kailangan na-identify mo siya step-by-step procedure for adjustment data governance. That's all. Thank you.